To get started, you want to put your cords in order on the board. So I've got one colour in the centre and then one colour on the outside. So beginning with the cords in the centre, I want to attach my first bead to both of these. And then once that's done, just push the bead up to the top. And then I'm going to clip these cords to the bottom of the board. You don't have to do that, I just find it easier to work that way. And next I want to take the colours on the outside and attach a bead to both of those. And then again, I want to push the bead up into place, but I don't want to go too tight here. And then with these cords that I've just attached the bead to, I want to put these in the centre. And then I'm going to unclip the other colour, and these are now going to be the outside cords. And again, I'm going to clip the other cords to the bottom of the board. And then position the bead. So I want to put it up against the other bead, but not too tight so that it warps the cord, just enough so it just sits there nice and comfortably. And then add my next bead to this colour. And then with this one, again, I'm just going to push the bead up close to the end of there. And then taking these two cords, these are now going to become the centre cords and be clipped to the board. And these ones are going to come out. And I keep a little bit of a gap there just so I remember which side the cords were at. And then just position everything so that it's nice and close but not too tight. And then again, I'm doing a bead onto these colours again. And each time you're just going to be swapping over the colour that you're adding the bead to and putting the position in the centre after you've done that. You just want to keep doing this all the way down until you've got the bracelet as long as you want it to be. So once you've got the bracelet as long as you want it, you can do your fastening. Now you can do any fastening that you want, but the one I'm going to do is I'm just going to go straight into a braid for a tie-on end. So I want to bring the colour that is on the outside into the centre. Just to make the braid a little bit neater with the beads. And I'm just going to do a braided fastening. You want to do this at both ends, and then you want to tie a knot in the end to keep all your cords in place. And then you can trim and seal any excess. So I'm going to use a lighter to seal, but you could use glue if you prefer. And you should end up with something that looks like this. And that is your completed simple bead friendship bracelet.